Preparing for the TOEFL and IELTS, embracing the test environment. Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving deep into preparing for the actual test environment of TOEFL and IELTS. It's one thing to be prepared for the questions, but how about the setting? The ambiance? The sudden nerves? This is all about embracing the environment and making sure you're at your best. The first step to feeling at ease during the test is knowing what to expect. Research the test center. It might sound a bit over the top, but knowing where the restrooms are, where you'll be seated, or how the room feels can make a big difference. Know the equipment. Both TOEFL and IELTS may require you to use headphones, microphones, or computers. If you can, practice with similar equipment at home. You've probably heard the phrase, practice makes perfect. But how about practice like it's the real deal? Full-length mocks. Sit for full-length practice tests. Don't just stop at the questions. Take your breaks as you would on the actual day. Dress the part. Wear what you'd wear on test day. Feeling too comfortable or too uncomfortable in your attire can distract you. It's natural to be nervous, but let's turn those nerves into an advantage. Breathing exercises. Take deep breaths. This is an age-old trick, but it works wonders for calming nerves. Positive affirmations. Tell yourself you're prepared and you've got this. Self-belief is half the battle won. Arrive early. Give yourself ample time to settle in, relax, and maybe even do some light revision. The eve of the test is just as crucial. Here's how to optimize it. Rest and relax. A well-rested mind performs better. Get a good night's sleep and avoid cramming. Prepare your kit. Lay out everything you need. ID, stationery, water bottle, etc. Doing this ensures a smooth morning without last-minute stress. Light review. Instead of intensive study, review your notes lightly. Focus on your speaking strategies and topic lists. And there you have it. Preparing for the test environment is just as crucial as preparing for the test content. We believe in you and hope these strategies will ensure you walk into that room feeling confident and at ease. Remember, the goal is to make the test day feel just like another practice day. You've got this, and we're cheering for you. Best of luck!